Kia ora from Taupo, New Zealand. I am at the Waterfall's lookout, and you can see how fast the water is going over the falls. You definitely wouldn't be wanting to be kayaking or paddling over that. No way, Jose. And you can see it, all the fire there. On parts of this lookout, it is quite hard to see because I'm fairly short. So if you're 5'4" and a half or 162 or 163 centimetres, some of the vegetation gets in the way for you. But the water is plummeting fast over the falls. Over in the yonder, there's another lookout, and you're closer to the falls. There's various points along here that you can look at the falls. So we're on the other side of the falls. But yesterday, when we were here, we took some pictures from the other side. We're heading back to Auckland home because I've got to go back to work. But I do recommend to come to this part of the country and see the Huka Falls. That is H-U-K-A, Huka Falls. It's one of the biggest falls in New Zealand. Later on,